We just bought this camera from FreeFly, the Wave high-speed camera, and Flite is the only company I found that makes a cage for it. So I've been waiting for 4 weeks for these. Just arrived today. We're gonna open it up and see what it is and assemble it. Got a really cool card with their Instagram information. I guess we'll tag this video for them. So here are all the parts. Dun, dun, dun. Very exciting. So first we're gonna take apart our temporary cage. So I haven't tightened everything completely. I just loosely tightened it until we get all the parts on. It's nice that there's 3 points on the cage. Usually how I do it is for tightening stuff, I'll cross tighten. I'm going for a tight. I'll always do the sides of something first because the top and bottom is the connection to the camera. Then I'll go back and tighten the top. The little ones you don't want to over torque very much because they're a small thread. I like the cage, you know, it feels like it's part of the camera, which is good, and it gives a lot more mounting points for us to put accessories and things on it. I can still get to the menu control and the buttons. These high-speed cameras are a very specialty item, so you don't need to have the same access and kind of handheld feel you normally do if you're working with a small camera like this. So I'm kind of excited to see how this all comes together. We'll be making some fun short films with it very soon, so you can check those out.